Peace, people. I hope you're good. Yo, so amped up as I always am when it comes to unboxings and doing some reviews for you peeps. So it's a pleasure to be with you today. Shout outs to my Footshop fan for looking out once again. What we're about to check out is the ADIDAS Bad Bunny Forum Lows that came out in celebration of Easter. Now, for those who aren't familiar, Bad Bunny is one of the biggest reggaeton Latin rap artists in the world. So much so, doing the halftime show with Jennifer Lopez and Shakira for the Super Bowl, which is a big look indeed. But yeah, anyway, the packaging is absolutely incredible. So check it out. Look at that. It slides out. Now, what we have here are two alternative tongues to put on the shoe. And then you've got the spare laces with the Bad Bunny right there on the aglets. I love that little detail right there. Okay, now to the shoes. The shoes are presented in a dust bag. So I'm sure Jacques Chassaing and his team who created the ADIDAS Forum all the way back in 1984 are very, very happy indeed, because these have been presented to maximum levels. Now, what's been done with the shoes? For me, the ADIDAS Forum is one of the highlights of this year. The retro that came out as designed by Chris Law and his team is absolutely superb. And you can see why Michael Jordan wore these shoes in his final year of college basketball at North Carolina. You know, I mean, the silhouette was absolutely neck snapping. It took a lot for Nike to win him over. But anyway, check it. The colors are absolutely beautiful. In line, playing up to the Bad Bunny inspiration indeed. Easter being represented so well. Now, what's been modified on these bad boys? You have another tongue. So you got a double tongue right here, a la Jeremy Scott. The top one removable, so you can put the ones that I just put back in a box and flip them. Then you've got the different eyelets. This silhouette is slightly fatter in comparison to the OG Forum Low. This thing here has no purpose whatsoever apart from to be aesthetically dope. You know, you just do not need that. But hey, you got the fatter, more pronounced padding on the collar right here, and then the heel tab. You've got this extra little bit of support there. These are more like a skate shoe, in fact. Then you've got the removable strap. Now, on the original Forum Lows and the Forum Highs, the strap isn't removable, but you can adjust it. But these things here, you can take off. You've got the little mountaineering clip here, which if it plays with me, it's going to come out like that. And then you can take off the strap with this removable bit here. So switching up the profile of the shoe completely. The materials are absolutely superb. You've got this beautiful, gorgeous leather, which is featured on the Forum Retros. Beautiful suede right here. I love the translucent midsole. That's a wicked touch. But anyways, these bad boys are a wicked addition to the legacy that Jacques Chassaing built all the way back in '84. But yes, anyway, Bad Bunny, you killed it, man. You did a good job. Yo, Footshop fam, thank you once again for looking out. Appreciate you. And to you people out there, stay safe, all right? One love.